What's up everyone? I'm Margot and welcome to RentalTrader YouTube channel. Here we talk about all things vacation rentals and reveal the industry secrets that are sure to unlock your success. So, are you ready to discover exactly how to get ahead, bring in more bookings than ever before, and enjoy increased profits? Oh, I know you are. You are in the right place, so keep on watching. Today's video is all about the 10 steps you need to take to get started as a new vacation rental host. Now, this process can seem a little bit overwhelming at first, but stick with us. Getting through it is totally doable and sure to pay off. The very first thing you'll need to do is plan. Now, I know it doesn't sound very exciting, but if you don't plan, the truth is your vacation rental might flop. I know, and that would stink. You'll need a mission statement that embodies your vision and goals, and a budget with extra room for unexpected expenses, insurance costs, and taxes. Yes, taxes. Trust us, we hate taxes just as much as you do, but they're inescapable. Ha, 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 ha. You'll also want to choose your target market. Who do you want to stay at your vacation rental once it's up and running? After that, it's time to scope out profitable real estate markets, research local laws and regulations, and analyze the return on investment for available properties. It's a lot for the first step, but push through because step number 2 is when everything becomes more real. Step number 2 is when you'll set up your business. This means choosing a name, forming a legal identity, registering for those dreaded taxes, and opening a business bank account and credit card. Next, you're going to set up business accounting. Now, nothing, and I mean nothing, is worse than getting lost in the numbers and furiously punching at your calculator trying to figure out where you went wrong. The final parts of this step are getting the necessary permits and licenses, setting up insurance to protect yourself against liability, defining your brand with a name, logo, and tagline, and creating a business website. For step number 3, you'll need to invest in a property if you haven't already. Now, listen here, you can't run a vacation rental without a place for people to stay. Okay. Step number 4 involves some internet stalking, aka surveying your competition. Look at what similar properties in your area offer and figure out what sets you apart. Now, you're gonna wanna emphasize these differentiators later on because they're gonna make all the difference between prospective guests choosing you or going with your rival down the street. Now is also an excellent time to work out your pricing strategy. Step number 5 is one of the most fun, if you have an eye for design, that is. It is time to renovate, furnish, and decorate your property. Try choosing a theme and giving your rental personality to make it more memorable. Now, you are nearly ready to list your property on sites like RentalTrader and Airbnb, but first, it is time to take a little vacation by giving your rental a test run. That's right, staying at your rental property yourself or having friends and family stay there for step number 6 helps you to notice all the little things that need to be adjusted before real guests arrive. Something as teeny tiny as a leaky faucet or a light fixture that buzzes nonstop can result in subpar reviews, and that is the absolute last thing that you want as a new host. During step number 7, you'll list your vacation rental on multiple sites. RentalTrader is an excellent choice thanks to its low fees, but other options like Airbnb or VRBO will also get you bookings. Think of your listing like an online dating profile. You want your potential guests to swipe right, so you need to choose the most flattering photos and drum up some intrigue with your property description. Step number 8 is all about getting feedback from your guests. Shoot them a friendly message after their stay and ask them to leave you a review. Now, hopefully they're gonna give you 5 stars here, but even if they don't, their feedback can really help you kick it up a notch for your future guests. Simplification is the name of the game during step number 9. Choose a property management system that can automate your repetitive tasks. This will not only save your time, but also your sanity. Consider delegating some of your responsibilities by hiring employees like a property manager or perhaps a maintenance worker and a cleaning agency. The 10th and final step is to consider growing your business by purchasing more properties and turning them into vacation rentals. As you scale your business, your earnings will increase exponentially. I promise you that. If you want to avoid some of the crazy fees that the big guys have, remember to list your property on RentalTrader, where we only charge a flat rate of 4.5% per booking. That's it. So come on, join the revolution and help us take back the industry. Listing your property is quick, it's easy, and it's 100% free. So visit RentalTrader.com, get yourself started. If you like this video, then go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends and your fellow vacation rental hosts. Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time that we post. Until next time, stay safe, stay positive, and say yes to adventure.